Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYFC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And first, not really an update, but just kind of a quick little kind of confirmation point is that this area up here is indeed one of those stubborn levels on the chart. Yes, this morning there was a gap up, but after the gap up, it was a total gap and trap as after the opening bell rang, markets opened up and the price opened right there, but from there it was essentially all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So point here, going forward, that level up around the 425 mark still remains that key area of resistance. But the more pressing area that I think is definitely way more important, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Friday, but it's all about this green line right here. And the reason why that level down there right around the 230 mark is so important is because if the price were to come down to this area, break down through it and continue on down, well, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would have the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements going back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, yeah, the price is relatively close to that potentially happening, but it hasn't happened yet. So on the flip side, the exact opposite could occur. Maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. And from that angle, well, at least at that point, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, you would still technically have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. Truly strong moves are going to make progress over time. And again, quote-unquote progress being defined as $2.30. So yeah, right now, things are looking pretty rough with the gap and trap that occurred today. But like I said, assuming you care about the big picture of things and assuming you weren't some sort of day trader that bought right there, then yeah, the overall chart does have the opportunity to still build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.